Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Keeper or KP3R. Today is a very important day for KP3R because it has reached once again at the resistance of this down channel, and after breaking out this channel there can be a very massive move, and I'll show you how this move can be started. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And first of all, let me to show you this very big harmonic reversal setup that KP3R has formed on the weekly time frame, and I shared this pattern with my members at the Patreon on 11th of March when KP3R completed a very big, massive harmonic bullish reversal guardlay move. And our sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this guardlay are from $1,176 and goes to $1,764. And you can see when I shared this chart at that time, KP3R was moving at $392, and our buying zone goes to maximum up to $268. Now after playing this chart, we can see that we have a short rally up to $644. That was quite big rally, but still we are in the buying zone, and now we are having some correction, and right now KP3R is moving sideways in this potential reversal zone. So it can be another very nice buy the dip opportunity if we buy it in this potential reversal zone. And if we take a look at the weekly live time frame chart, then during this short rally that we were watching here, Keeper has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart, and you can see right now after this breakout we are having some correction, and we are also having very strong support of $350 here, and the next support is here at $300. So this support zone from $350 to $300 is very critical and very strong support zone. You can see that previously this zone has been working as a nice support here, as a nice resistance here, as a resistance here, as a support here, and right now we are bounced by this support when we rallied up to $644, and again we are testing the support. And we also have another resistance here, that is EMA 21. Right now EMA 21 weekly is at $560. Now if we switch to the very small time frame on the 4-hourly time frame chart, then here Keeper has formed this down channel, and it is moving inside this down channel since after 26th of March, and right now we are again reached the resistance. And you can see that after hitting this resistance here and after this rejection, the price line did not touch this support of the channel, because here it has found another support, and here we also have a formation of a bearish pendant as well. And if we break out this resistance of the down channel, then the target for this down channel will be here at the top of the channel, and here we also have very strong resistance as well, that is approximately $585. Now let's take a look at this resistance of EMA 21 that we have at $590. So it's mean that if we will break out this resistance of this down channel, then it is possible that we may make a very powerful attempt. Keeper will make a very powerful attempt to break out this EMA 21 weekly. And previously we have seen that when Keeper broke it out here, we had a very massive rally, approximately from $170 to $2,066. That was very massive move. And right now we are again expecting that if price line will break out this resistance and reach here at the target of this down channel, then it will also reach at the EMA 21 on the weekly time frame chart as well. And we can see that stochastic is extremely oversold right now, and we have received the buying signal by the stochastic. Previously when we received this buying signal, then we had a short rally up to $644, and let's see what will happen after this buying signal, because this blue line has crossed up this orange line from the oversold zone. This buying signal is very strong. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.